we're just going to prime our face. I'm just using a NYX Photo Loving Primer. Then we're going to move on to foundation. I'm using Fenty Beauty and Makeup Forever together. After blending everything out, I'm going to go into contouring, and I'm using Black Opal's foundation stick in the color Walnut. Then moving on to concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and on top of that I'm going to use ColourPop's concealer. Then I'm going to blend out my contour first because I don't know, I like doing it this way. And then I'm going to blend out my concealer afterwards, just so that the concealer has time to sit there and dry up a little bit. Now moving on, I'm going to set my face with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And let me tell you, it is the bomb. If you don't have it, you should buy it. Don't waste time. I wasted time and now I have it and I love it so much. Now going into my Black Radiance Contour Kit, I'm going to use those two colors and blend them together and use that for my powder contour. Now to dust everything off, I'm going into my MAC powder, and I'm just using this to kind of blend everything seamlessly together. Then going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm going to use those two colors and kind of put that on top of my contour a little bit. Now using my tiny Fix-It spray, I'm going to spray everything just so that the base is completely set. Now I'm going to use my Morphe 35O palette, the matte shades. I love them so much. I'm going to take that color right there and put that basically in my crease area. And then going into this color right here, I'm going to use that as my transitioning shade because I totally forgot to put that down first. Then taking those two colors, I'm going to use that as a way to darken that area because I felt like it wasn't giving me the color that I wanted. Now taking that dark blue, I'm going to pat that all over my lid, and this is going to serve as my base for my shimmer colors. Now taking a blue shimmer, I'm going to put that all over my lid, and then on top of that, I'm going to use a purple shimmer. Now taking my 35O palette in the shimmers, I'm going to take that gold color and put that in my inner corner. And to really brighten this up and to make the color stand out more, I did spray it with setting spray. Also on top of that color, I did add a hint of silver. Now moving on to lining up my eyes, I am going to line it kind of going downwards just to create that SZA eye look. And I'm also going to connect the line to my inner corner and create kind of a cat. I don't know what to call it. I don't think it's cat, but it's like Egyptian. Then off camera, I did go ahead and add some lashes. Going back into my Anastasia contour kit, I'm taking that really rich orange and I'm putting that on my cheek, the apples of my cheeks, because I felt like she definitely had that in her picture. Now it's time to add the tears, and I'm going in with some skin adhesives to kind of make sure my tears stick on my face. And the tears that I made with hot glue gun and some acrylic gold paint. Now I know she has 2 teardrops, but I added 3 because I wanted to add a little bit more to the look. For lining my lips, I did start off with the NYX liner in the color Club Hopper, but then I changed my mind and then went over that with Limbo from ColourPop. And then for the center of my mouth, I did use Chi from ColourPop to give it that ombre effect. And on top of that, I'm using a gloss to go over everything. Now moving on to the hair, I did change into a dress that kind of resembled hers, and I added a chain. And for the hair, I'm just taking that section of my hair and I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to create fake bangs using some bobby pins that really helped this look out. Then I'm adding 2 braids on the sides of my hair because that's how she has it. And now for the final piece, I'm just gonna add this little crown and I'm done. So yeah, this is the finished look of my SZA Met Gala 2018 inspired makeup look. I really like how everything came out, the hair, the makeup, the headdress. I really liked her look and I really wanted to create it, so I hope I did it justice. I have the golden tears, I have her mole, the eye look is like really simple, but it's so freaking cute. If you think I nailed this SZA inspired makeup look, please leave a like on this video. Give me a thumbs up if you really liked it. Also, if you want to see me create more makeup looks in the future, hit that subscribe button right now. It's gonna be in this corner or this corner. I'm not sure which corner it's gonna be on. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Mwah.